Hello, everybody. My name is Yuriy Zaletskyy, and I am CTO and co-founder of company AcuPower LTD. Today, I want to describe to you interesting logic of adding handlers dynamically to your graph. This will be based on Acumatica source code of EP approval automation. So basically, how it works inside. You declare that you want to have view in your code. Let's say you can say like source assign. Let me find an example how it may look like. You say EP approval automation, you say to which duck class it is bound. You say like which event, which fields it will be bound to. And then what Acumatica does behind the curtains. Behind the curtains, Acumatica does following. It executes add handler method for field verifying, field updated, field defaulting, which means you write this line of code, but Acumatica adds events dynamically to your graph. What it gives to you? Imagine that you want to have some events applied to plenty of different graphs. You can use different ways how to add them, but you can also use this method in order to create your view, add some events, and voila, you will get plenty of events inside of your graph. Here you can see on my blog example on field verifying, which is added, and so on. Want to stress a bit on behavior of add handler and collection of event handlers. If event ends with ink, with exception of row selecting, then event handlers will be added to beginning of the collection. What it means? It means that field verifying of this extension will be executed first, and then field verifying of your graph or Acumatica graph will be executed. If we speak about ED, and if we speak about ED and row selecting, it means it will be added to the end of collection and also will be to the end of collection, which means initially logic of graphics is executed and then logic of your extension. Using this technology, you can achieve relatively easy propagation of your code, adding different handlers. And by the way, you can also remove handlers. You can use remove handler method in order to remove from some specific graph some method if you want to do it. This is kind of solid food, so to say, but this is something that you can use in your code. Want to thank for your attention and also want to ask if you would like, feel free to leave a comment and hit the like button. Thanks and have a good day.